Hey everyone, my name is Mike, just relocated from Israel, and I wanted to share with you guys something important regarding air filter replacement. So I bought this car, it's for Volkswagen CC 2012, and I understand from my garage that I need to replace air filter and also cabin filter. So this is the air filter that I bought for 20 bucks in Walmart. And this is the air cabin filter that I also bought in Walmart for also 20 bucks. Instead of changing them in the garage for 250 bucks. Let's do it by ourselves. First of all, what you have to do is to go under your passenger seat. And if you see, here is the filter. Okay, what you need to do is just slide it towards right, and then remove it. This is it. And now we'll put it inside exactly in the same way. Easy. So, filter number one done. Very easy. You can do it by yourself. Now let's go to filter number two. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts that you can open with CRV20. It's like in a star shape bit, and I think one more that is CRV30, also like a star shape bit. Let's start. Six. It's changed. The bigger one. It's inside here. Oh, I need something longer. So I find this manual screwdriver. I put the bit on it, and then it's very important to take a masking tape or something like this and to attach it to it, because you don't want it to fall down inside your vehicle, because you will be in big trouble. And it's working pretty fine. This is the last bolt. Now I will take it out, but I see there is a pipe connected to the filter, so like you need to take your both fingers and to press it, and then you can retrieve it like this. Here, maybe use the other hand. This is it. So now I can remove this cover. One is white, the other one is not so white. So I will take it, put it inside like so, and carefully put it back down. So before I close it, I want to show you exactly the location of the bolts. So this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. There are only 8, 20, and one inside it is 30. So this is it. It was a brief tutorial to change, as I said, the air filter and the cabin air filter. I hope it will be useful for you also, guys. See you later.